This video demonstrates how to write and read EEPROM using RX Smart Configurator in eSquare Studio. A project will be created using the RX Smart Configurator and explained in the order shown. For more details, visit the Smart Configurator and Knowledge Base pages. You may watch the videos for eSquare Studio installation. Connect the target board for RX65N to the computer via a USB cable. Connect VCC, SCLK, SDA, and ground pins of AT24C256 EEPROM module to the target board. RX Smart Configurator provides I2C APIs for EEPROM communication. The project uses 3 components and are configured as shown. When SW1 on the board is pressed, data is written to the EEPROM. The program waits for the EEPROM processing time and then reads the data just written into the buffer. The source files to be edited are as shown. The EEPROM device address is 0xa0, but the writing API uses 0x50 as it shifts the address left by 1 bit. In the main program, the EEPROM write process is as shown. EEPROM reading requires the use of 2 APIs due to the need for restart processing. The API call completion is signaled by setting a flag in the interrupt handler. Launch eSquare Studio and create a RX executable project. Select target board RX65N and E2 Lite, RX. Ensure that Use Smart Configurator is checked. Add timer, interrupt, and I2C master mode components. Change the resources as shown. Configure CMT0 to generate delay after the EEPROM write operation. Configure ICU, enable IRQ4 for SW1. Configure RIIC0, set the baud rate, noise filter, and NACK detection. Click the Generate Code button to generate codes. In main function, initialize buffers, enable interrupts and wait for IRQ4 to trigger EEPROM write and read with a 5 milliseconds delay. Open config_cmt0_user.c, add variable G1ms counter. In the CMT0 interrupt process increment at every 1 millisecond. Open config_RIIC0_user.c, add variable I2C send. In both callback transmit end and receive end. Set I2C send equal to 1 to indicate completion of I2C transfer. Open config_ICU_user.c, add variable GSW. In the ICU interrupt process, set GSW equals 1. Build the project. Start debug session. Drag and drop the variables to the expressions view. Set breakpoint at EEPROM read restart. Press the resume button to continue the program execution. Press SW1 button on the board to start EEPROM write. Verify gwrite buffer value when the program stops. The logic analyzer shows SCL0 and SDA0 waveforms as expected during EEPROM write. Press the resume button to read the EEPROM. Click the suspend button to break at current program counter. Check gread buffer is equal to gwrite buffer value. The dummy write is executed during the EEPROM read process and the waveform is as expected. I2C communication is set up successfully. Please refer to the FAQ for more usage information on Smart Configurator for RX I2C APIs.